have shared in the broader public domain, as well as what are the plans going forward. The product was, developed earlier in the year, earlier last year. Yes, time just seems to fly. Done in animal studies, both in mouse, rabbits, rats, as well as in monkeys and hamsters. And all of this information on the animal studies has been published, including in journals such as Nature. And then the clinical trials in humans start with the phase 1 and phase 2. We're close to about 750 participants. Again, all the results have been published in Lancet. And I think we're probably unique in that respect, that this vaccine's development and all the data has been published in leading journals, with all of the information being out there for everybody to view and everybody to learn from and build upon. We are in this together as humans to kind of fight this virus. And ongoing phase 3 studies are expected to be done pretty soon from a efficacy measurement standpoint, and safety, of course, will always continue for all these phase 3 trials. The first interim look 81%. And as I mentioned before, from the regulatory path in the US, we have filed the drug master file, submitted the drug master file, and then we are working towards filing the EUA. And upon receiving the EUA, we expect to get some initial doses from Bharat Biotech in tens of millions of doses. And meanwhile, we're parallelly working on a tech transfer on the manufacturing process so that we can scale up the manufacturing here in the US. And those are ongoing discussions that we've been having with potential providers. Our target is to get about 100 million doses per year starting this year, with to kind of facilitate, assuming an authorization from the FDA to facilitate a rollout of the vaccination within the later part of this year, in the second half of this year. So we're very excited that we've been working tirelessly through this process. We've been working from a timeline perspective. I think we have been progressing well, and we just want to make sure we can get this as soon as we possibly can, with all the right processes and testing and data and all of that. As I mentioned, everything has been published in leading journals for everybody's benefit. Switching gears, I want to cover a little bit about the